Namaste everyone. I hope everybody is fine. In today's art session, we are going to learn borders of Madhubani art. You can also call it as Mithila art. This art form is from Bihar. This Mithila art form is a symbolic art form with religious bias. It is decorative in presentation and defined in geometrical line work. Women painted these designs on mud walls of their houses in bold, bright shades of herbal colors. These designs are also known as Bharani. They revolve around themes of Hindu mythological figures such as Vishnu, Ram, Krishna, Ganesha, and Shiva Mudra such as Nataraj, Tandav, Ardhanari, Nateshwar. I will show you some of the example of Mithila art form. This is the art form of sun. Shiva means Nataraj. Gajamukha means elephant. And these are some more examples. Now for this art form, we need white papers. If you don't have plain papers, you can use ruled papers also. Scale, black gel pen, you can use sketch pen also, and sketch pens, colorful sketch pens. Now on the white papers, I made some lines with black gel pen. This is 2 centimeter distance. I made some parallel lines. Now first we will do some black and white. Afterwards slowly we'll color some of the borders. First we'll start with the basic borders. These are the basic borders. If you want, you can just fill the designs in these circles. Now next design is also very simple. Just draw this. You can draw some decorative designs in these type of forms. Size should be same all over the border. These type of borders you can use it for your greeting cards also, or for your projects. If you want to make some borders, you can use these type of designs. You can just draw designs in this, or if you want, you can make alternate designs and alternate, you can fill the colors in this design. Next design, this is also geometrical design. If you want, you can take help of pencil and scale and draw the designs. First with pencil, and then afterwards you can trace it with black sketch pen or gel pen. You can fill this with black color, or if you want to use sketch pens, you can use the sketch pens and fill these diamonds. I am using sketch pen to fill the colors. If you don't have sketch pen, you can use oil pastels or color pencils to fill the colors. Next design is also very simple. Just draw triangles. And fill the designs. Alternate. I'm filling the designs with sketch pens and black gel pen. Fill colors very carefully. Next is leaf form, leaf designs. Now use sketch pen for the border to fill the color. Next design, you can just draw circles. There are two ways to fill this design. Either you can just draw black pen design in this, or you can draw designs in this and fill colors in this part. Like this, in two ways you can fill this. Either you fill the colors on this, and on the overlapping of the circles you can draw the designs, or you can just draw designs and on overlapping part you can just fill the colors. Now we'll move to the last border. You can just draw overlapping semicircles. On this you can just fill the designs with black gel pen, and on the overlapping part you can fill the colors. So these are the Madhubani borders. These you can use in your Madhubani art form or for drawing, for making the borders of the greeting card. I hope everybody enjoy these designs. Just draw this, and you don't forget to forward it to your mentor. Thank you. Bye.